Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building this Baldwin Locomotive Works South Pacific Coast 460 steam locomotive here. And this is what it looks like. So let's get right into the build here. So take some red nether brick stairs, and we're going to put 3 on the bottom middle facing forward. Behind it, 3 upside down stairs facing backwards, and another 3 forward facing stairs up here. Then take out a dark oak stair and put it this way on the top middle, and a dark oak fence gate here. Then on the upper hitbox behind this, we're going to go 5 wide with black stone brick slabs. And then we're going to take a dark oak side and put 1 here and 1 here. Then on the next block down behind this, we're going to put a red nether brick wheel on each rail with an end rod axle. Then on the upper hitbox, 2 rows of 3 polished blackstone brick slabs. And behind that, another set of red nether brick wheels with an end rod axle. Then we're going to put an oak button on the side of the wheels and 2 dark oak fence gates in the middle. Same thing on this side here. Then we'll put 2 black stone brick stairs facing outward right here, 2 on this side, and 2 black stone brick blocks in the center here. So it looks like this. Then we'll do our pistons. So on the side right here, put 2 polished deep slate block. Same thing over here. Then put a skeleton skull on the front of each one. Then on top of each one, 2 red nether brick slabs on either side. So it looks like that. Next, we'll put 2 polished deep slate on this top middle, 1 on the front of it, 1 on the back. So it's 4 blocks long. Then we're going to come in and we need to grab deep slate brick walls. And we're going to put 1 wall here, 1 here, then an upside down polished deep slate stair here, and 2 here. Repeat it on this side. Then we'll cover the whole top of this with polished deep slate block. Then a row of 4 up the center, and 4 outward facing stairs on the top of each side of it. On the front middle, we're going to close a main growth trapdoor, and then surround that with 4 polished blackstone buttons. Then put an oak button on the side here, and 1 on this side right here. Then we'll come down underneath the back of this, on the second layer in the middle here, and we're going to put 3 dark oak fence gates coming up the center. Then behind that, we're going to do a line of 8 polished deep slate blocks coming back. Then take red nether brick stairs for our wheels, back-to-back stairs here, skip a block, another set of back-to-back stairs, skip a block, and a 3rd set of back-to-back stairs. And then of course, we're going to do the same thing for the driving wheels on this side. And then come through underneath here with upside down stairs this time. And we'll round all these off so they make 2x2 plus shapes for all our wheels. Just like that. Now we'll do the driving rod, so come up here. And we're going to put a sideways oak fence gate coming off each piston, like this. Then, behind it here, on the upper hitbox, we'll do 2 smooth stone slabs up here. And same thing on this side over here. Then, we'll move down 1 hitbox and do 3 smooth stone slabs. And then 3 on this side over here. Then we'll move down a hitbox again, and we're going to do 4 slabs. And of course, same thing over here, 4 slabs here. Then we need to come up under the front of this, and we'll take out iron trapdoors here. And down under here, we need 2 iron trapdoors here. And then come over here and do 2 on this side right here. Then we're going to take out a jungle fence, come to the back, put 1 here and 1 here. Then we're going to come on top of this in the middle, and we're going to alternate between a polished andesite block and an oak plank every other block like this. Then we'll put upside down oak stairs on each side of all the oak planks. Then upside down polished andesite stairs on all the polished andesite. Same thing over here. And then on each side, we'll put a polished andesite on each of the polished andesite sections and an oak plank in all the gaps between them on each side. Then we'll come up the top here and do the same pattern in the middle, alternating between polished andesite and oak plank. Then on the top outside edge, put oak stairs on all the oak sections on each side, and polished andesite stairs on all the polished andesite sections on each side. And now the boiler is completed here. Now come down on the back, on the second layer in the middle, do 3 netherite, then a dark oak slab. Under it, we're going to put 4 sideways dark oak fence gates. Then up this upper hitbox, we'll do 3 deep slate brick slabs on either side. And actually we'll do another 3 coming out to each side here, so that this base ends up being 5 blocks wide. Then on the top of this, a 3x3 of netherite right here. Then on the side, start right here and do 4 red concrete. Same thing over here. Then another layer of 4 red concrete on each side. Then on the front of this here, a red nether brick stair facing inward on either side. Then 2 glass panes, and then a red concrete at the back of each side. Up here, we'll do 5 outward facing polished blackstone brick stairs, and then 5 on this side here, and 3 upside down stairs across this back middle. Then back here, 3 blackstone brick slabs on the top middle. Up here, we'll do a row of double slabs across here, then 1 on the side, and 2 rows of 3, 1 on this side, and a trapdoor in this hole. Then come down back here, and we're going to put 3 trapdoors across here. Then take a dark oak fence gate on either side of this, 1 here and here. Then we'll come inside and work on the interior of the cab. In here we actually need to change all this wood. So change these 3 to polished andesite blocks, and change these 2 stairs to polished andesite so it doesn't catch fire. Then change this bottom block to nether brick, light it on fire, close the trapdoor. Over here put a lever. Then we're going to open a birch fence gate here and here. Then 2 item frames like this with recovery compasses. Then grab whatever color stair you'd like, turn around and put a stair on either side for the seats. And now the cab is done, and we can come back outside here. So come out in front of the cab on this side and take out dark oak trapdoors. And in front of the cab here on this level, we're going to do 5 trapdoors coming forward. Then move 1 hitbox up, and we're going to do 4 blackstone brick slabs. Then in front of this, 3 trapdoors right here. Then we'll come back to this corner and put 4 fence gates across here. Then on this layer, we're going to do a full row of sideways lightning rods coming forward. And we're going to bring that up till it's 1 block before the end, then 1 down here and 1 down here. Then we'll come and work on this side. On this side, starting at the cab on this level, we'll do 6 dark oak trapdoors. Then right here, we're going to put a polished deep slate wall and a wither skeleton skull above it. Then 1 fence gate here, 2 down here. In front of these trapdoors, we're going to do 4 polished deep slate walls and 4 black stone brick slabs above it. Then 2 dark oak trapdoors up here above this piston. Then we'll come up here by the cab and take out lightning rods again. And we need 2 right here. Then we'll have to skip past this fence gate and crouch. And continue on after the fence gate with lightning rods. And bring it up to the front. And stop 1 block before the end like that. Then on the middle of the top here, a red nether brick wall for our headlight. On the front of it, we're going to put a glow item frame with a frog light. Then on either side of this wall, we're going to put a mangrove sign. Then skip 1 block back, do a column of 2 polished deep slate blocks with an oak slab on top for the smokestack. Then skip 1 block back and a red nether brick block. Then skip 1 block back from that, and we're going to put a bell in the middle. Skip a block back again and a red nether brick block. Skip a block back again, and we'll put a red nether brick wall. And then against this cab in the middle, a mangrove fence gate here. Then on each of these red nether brick blocks, we're going to put a blank oak sign on all 4 sides of each of these blocks here. Then on this second one back, we're going to put another red nether brick on top, open an oak fence gate here, and 4 yellow candles on the top of it. And now our locomotive build is done, and we need to do the tender, so we're going to come to the back. So come down here on this bottom middle. We're going to put 1 more dark oak fence gate on the middle here. Then we're going to put a pattern of 4 red nether brick blocks on the rails, like this. Then behind that, leave 3 empty blocks of space, and on the 4th one, we're going to do another pattern of 4 red nether brick blocks, like this. Then we'll come through and put an end rod axle between all 4 of these sets of wheels, and then go through and put an oak button on all 8 of the wheels. In the middle of each of these, we're going to put 3 polished black stone brick slabs across the upper hitbox here on each side of wheels. Then a dark oak fence gate on the middle of each side. Same thing back here. And then we'll come across this top middle with a line of black stone brick blocks till it's 1 block past these back wheels. Then right here, put a dark oak stair for the rear coupler, and under it, 2 fence gates. Then on the side of this, we're going to go 2 wide on the upper hitbox with black stone brick slabs, and bring that all the way to the front of the tender. Do the same thing on this side, 2 wide on the upper hitbox with polished black stone brick slabs, and bring it down to the other end of the tender. Then across the front, we're going to do 5 black stone brick blocks here. Then on this side, 2 high with red concrete, bring it down till it's 1 block before the end. Then come across the back, 2 high, and all the way back up this side here. Then we're going to come in here, a red shulker box on either side like this. In this center, we'll stack 3 black stone slabs for the coal, and then we'll fill the rest of this 3 wide with black stone blocks to the back of it. Then on the top of this, we'll put some random assorted black stone slabs so the coal pile looks 3-dimensional. Then, 1 block from the front, do red nether brick slabs across here. And actually right here, we're going to come 5 across the back. And then come up till it's 1 block before the front on this side. Back here, put a red nether brick wall in the center. Up here, a mangrove button on this side. Over here, a lightning rod with a jungle trapdoor on it. Then we'll come back here and put a glow item frame with a frog light on this wall. Then we're going to put a mangrove sign on either side of it. Then on the back of this, we'll do a 2x2 of oak signs on either side, leaving the middle open. Then come around here, and we'll do 2 rows of 3 oak signs at the back and 2 rows of 3 oak signs at the front. Do the same thing over here. 2 rows of 3 oak signs at the back, 2 rows of 3 at the front. Then on the side of the cab here, we'll do 2 rows of 4 oak signs. And come do the same thing on this side. 2 rows of 4 oak signs over here. Then we're going to make some banners. So come into a loom here with a red banner and yellow dye. We're going to put a horizontal on top and bottom and a diagonal. New banner. Vertical on the left, top half yellow. New banner. Vertical on the left, horizontal on the top and bottom. Then put a red border around all 3 of those. Then we'll come place these on the tender. So in this gap right here, use your banners to put SPC. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Use the banners to put SPC. And then we have one more banner to make, so come back in with a red banner and yellow dye. Make the top half yellow, put a red horizontal on the middle, and then a red border. And then we'll come to the back of the tender, that goes right here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our South Pacific Coast 460 steam locomotive. I hope everyone enjoyed this build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.